Hello, Asta here and welcome to today's video. Festive season is just around the corner and of course I had to do Christmas makeup look. This look that I created here, it's quite quick and quite easy to do. So if you want to see how I achieved it, how to get glam really quickly, how to just put on few things on and be ready for Christmas parties, just keep on watching. Starting with my eyes today, I have already my lids prepped with the Pillows Rumor 2 and now I'm gonna just apply underneath the eye shields. Will just save my time and I won't be needing to carve out the perfect winged shape for my eyes. So now that I have my shields on, I'm starting with the pencil and I'm taking the coffee pencil from MAC. I'm gonna sketch out a little winged liner on the outer part of my eye. I'm kind of just doing it halfway through my eye, not going all the way in for now. And I'm taking my Rebelluna brush R24. I'm smudging that line out. It doesn't have to be perfect this time round. We're just doing a base for our eyeshadows. Now whatever is left on the brush, I'm just bringing in a corner. And then repeating the same step again on the other eye. Now for the eyeshadows, today I'm using my beloved Sub Glam palette. It looks a bit manky because I use it so much, it's nearly all gone as well. And I'm gonna first go in with the color Noir, which is a black color. And I'm using my Zoeva 237 shader brush. And I'm just kind of gently starting to press that onto the pencil where I sketched out my shape. Now I'm keeping this black closer to the lash line first. Then I'm going in with Zoeva 223 smudger brush and taking color Cypress Umber and further smoking that line up. Now this time I'm placing this color a wee bit higher up and then going in with the fluffy brush with no product and just blending the edges together. Then I'm taking my Rebelluna brush R23 and color Sienna and further smoking the top of the shadows. And then going back in with the fluffy brush and just blending everything together. And then going in once again with the black color and repeating the same steps I already did. So first going in with the black closest to the lash line, deepening the color. Then switching to the smudger brush from Zoeva and color Cypress Umber. And then with Rebelluna R24, I'm just taking a little bit of Sienna and then with the fluffy brush with no product, this one's Mark 224, just kinda blending everything nicely together. Then taking Rebelluna R23, which I'm dipping into the burnt orange and just lightly applying that into my crease for more definition. And this time I'm going all the way into the inner corner with this color. Once again going back with the fluffy brush with no product, blending the edges out. Taking my Peaches and Cream pigment, which is called Gatsby, and just using a flat brush to apply that on the center of the lid. So literally just pressing that on under the center part, trying not to apply that onto the liner. And I'm using my Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner and just lining my top lash line. Then I'm taking a tiny smudger brush and just using a black color to smudge the liner out. Once I'm finished now, I'm taking my underneath the eye shields off. It's always so painful. And that way I have a nice line and it saves me time fixing my shape. So next it's time to apply a little bit of mascara. I'm using my Stila Huge Mascara. Today for lashes I'm using the Rebelluna brand lashes and this is the pack of 3 and I'm gonna go with this side here, which is nice and elongated and will go nicely with my winged liner. Now I'm going straight into doing my face. So today for the face I'm using the two foundations, the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation and Shiseido Synchro Skin. And I'm using a flat kabuki brush to apply that. For concealer I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape in color Light Beige. And I'm only doing one side at a time because it actually dries so quickly. I don't want to be left with the dry patches then, and it's hard to blend out. So also doing the center of my forehead and nose and a little bit on the chin. And then I'm taking an angled brush and a little bit of concealer and just perfecting that line of the winged liner. And I'm lightly setting my face with the Hourglass Diffuse Light powder. And taking my Becca Cosmetics Malika collaboration palette and then using a bronze shade to bronze my skin up. I'm taking an angled brush and this color here. This is a nice blush color, and mixing this color with that color and applying that on my cheeks. Then I'm taking my Hollywood Beauty Wand by Charlotte, and this is the liquid highlighter, and I'm using my finger to just tap that product on. It's such a beautiful product, gives you really lovely glow. And then to just make my highlighter a little bit more intense, I'm taking the Becca highlighter. I got a mini version of it and just applying that on the highest points of my cheeks. Now that I have my face nearly done, it's time to go back to do and finish the eyes. For underneath the eye area, I'm taking the same pencil I've used before, the MAC Coffee, and I'm just doing a little line underneath and smudging that out. I'm going back to my palette. I'm taking Rebelluna R23 and color Sienna and just gently smoking the lower lash line. For my waterline, I'm just taking MAC Costa Riche pencil, which is a nice brown, very light brown color, and just applying it into my waterline. And last step to do is just apply mascara. To highlight my inner corners of the eye, I'm just using the Makeup Forever Star Powder and just applying that on my tear duct area. Of course, to finish off the whole look, I just need to do my lips, and for the lips today, I'm of course doing red because you know it's festive season and red is one of those colors for Christmas. So today I'm using Ruby Woo lip liner and just lining my lips. And for the actual lip color, I'm just taking Fenty Beauty and lip paint. And here is the finished look. I felt like the Santa hat was a must for today's video and for today's tutorial. This was a super easy and quick makeup tutorial. If you would like to speed up this makeup, you can always skip the shading on the eyes. Just do the nice black liner, or you can, if you want, you can do the pencil liner. Just apply some falsies, do a little bit of shimmer or glitter on your lid, and of course red lip, and you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It would be a little present for me from you for Christmas. Also, if you want to get notifications when I upload my videos every Friday, just press that bell button there. So for now, I'm saying goodbye. I'm wishing you all the very best of festive season, and I hope you'll be spoiled rotten. I hope you'll get loads of gifts. I hope you'll be able to spend time with your loved ones and family and just enjoy this magical season all together. And for now, I'm just saying goodbye and wishing you all the love and best wishes, and I'll see you all next week.